मे बी सनकैट एमटी है, स्किन फ्रेंडली नहीं है, विच आइडली मीन्स दैट इरिटेशन दे सकता है। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू शेड्स ऑफ पिंक। मैं हूं सुष्मिता, आई क्रिएट कंटेंट ऑन मेकअप एंड स्किन केयर। कैसे हैं आप सब? तो गाइज, आज के वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द फिक्स डर्मा शैडो SPF 50 plus gel sunscreen के बारे में। This one comes with two variants with 40 grams and 75 grams. 40 grams is priced at 399, whereas 75 grams is priced at 595 rupees. ऑनलाइन अगर आप देखेंगे तो 40 ग्राम्स की पैकेजिंग आपको अंडर 350 यूजुअली मिल जाएगी, एंड उसकी पैकेजिंग आपको यूजुअली अंडर 550 के नीचे यूजुअली मिल जाएगी। बिफोर वी कुड गेट इनटू द डिटेल्स, मैं आपको पहले ही दिखा दूँ, ये कुछ इस तरह की पैकेजिंग है। दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक। This feels very lightweight on skin, and it says that it's oil free. Yes, it feels so. In terms of non-comedogenic, guys, it's a very subjective topic. Non-comedogenic कोई चीज़ मुझे सूट करेगी वो आपको नहीं सब सूट करेगी। सारे लोगों की स्किन टाइप्स एक तरह की नहीं होती। Now let's talk about the other aspects. Lightweight, yes, it is very lightweight. Non-greasy, yes, it is extremely non-greasy, and it's mainly for acne-prone skin. Leaves no white cast. और देखिए आप ब्लेंडिंग के साथ ही ये एकदम से गायब हो जाएगी। नाउ इस स्किन में मैंने इसे अप्लाई नहीं किया है, सो यू कैन फील हाउ ड्राई दिस इज। आफ्टर इट ड्राइज आउट, इट completely gives a matte finish, gives you a good amount of hydration. Sunscreen comes with a very few ingredients, all right, and the primary sun filter here is Suncat DE, followed by which it comes with vinyl benzimidazole sulfonic acid, which is a common sunscreen ingredient found in Lakme and I think in Pond's as well. And also have zinc oxide, so it's basically not a chemical sunscreen or a physical sunscreen, but it is a hybrid sunscreen. Sunscreen does not come with loads of actives. It has one ingredient, which is vitamin E, and other than that it comes with Caesalpinia spinosa gum, which is basically an antioxidant and a flavonoid. It comes with great anti-aging benefits. Let's take a quick look as how it looks when applied on the skin. My skin is a dry to combination skin. Generally 1 gram of a product is more than enough to apply as a sunscreen. So you can see here I have applied the sunscreen. It looks a little moisturized, but other than that it does not give you a very oily feel and a greasy feel. On this side of the skin I'm going to apply it now. You can see it easily blends into the skin, feels very lightweight, feels hydrating, and gives you decent protection, guys. So this is how it looks post application. Oily and acne prone skin वालों के लिए I think this would be a good choice. Something to be worried about. Online मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को देखा है sunscreen के pH टेस्ट करते हुए, and they have told that the sunscreen का pH has gone up to 7 and it's highly alkaline. तो बहुत ज़्यादा alkaline होती है तो skin friendly नहीं है, which ideally means that irritation दे सकती है. Guys, there could be an easy possibility for it to be so. वैसे मैंने तो कोई pH टेस्ट करी नहीं है, नॉट कन्फर्म दिस टू ऑल, बट आई कैन जस्ट से दैट जब भी सनकैट टेक्नोलॉजी पिक्चर में आती है, मे बी सनकैट एमटी या सनकैट DE प्रोडक्ट है, वो थोड़ी बेसिक बनने लगती है। बेसिक मतलब अल्कलाइन रादर देन एसिडिक। ओके, सो जनरल स्किन का pH जो होता है वो 5.5 से 6.5 तक रेंज करता है। हो सकता है कि प्रोडक्ट आपको 7 तक का pH दे, ओके, बट कभी कभी क्या होती है, प्रोडक्ट की फॉर्मुलेशन इतनी अच्छी बनती है कि सनकैट के होने के बावजूद भी उसकी जो pH है मोस्टली 6.5 तक आ जाती है। बट यू नीड नॉट वरी, इट इज़ नॉट दैट डेंजरस। बहुत ज़्यादा स्केयर मॉन्गरिंग चलता रहता है, सो आई वुडंट से दैट। सो ये हो सकता है कि हाँ डेफिनेटली 7-8 अगर जाता रहे, 7 से ज़्यादा या 8 तक अगर जाता रहे, सो इट इज़ अ मैटर टू वरी, बिकॉज हो सकता है कि इट मे नॉट सूट यू, बट प्लीज़ गो फॉर अ पैच टेस्ट and then try wearing the sunscreen. I think it should work. This sunscreen comes with fragrance and it's definitely not fragrance free. And this one comes out, so this is not waterproof as well. This product can be given a decent 7 to 7.5 because the product is very affordable, okay, Does not come with new generation filters, definitely, but the ingredients are really placed well with the Suncat technology that it comes with. Also, I would say that it doesn't have a lot of actives in it, so the product is decently formulated with very few ingredients but impactful. And at the same time, it's allergen free, sulfate free, dye free, phthalate free, lightweight, non greasy. So, if I have to see everything of it, I would say it can decently get a 7 to 7.5. Okay, nothing more than that, just because it has fragrance, and also it could have been waterproof, because in summers we need something which is waterproof. I have given all the details with reference to the product um, in the description. You can check it out from there. So I think that should be all from my side. So if you all liked my video today, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries with respect to the type of videos you want me to make for you all as per your request, don't forget to comment. And until the next video, it's me, Sushmita, saying bye bye.